Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of quality on the application of Snapchat. We go to settings, here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will scrolling down until you find this page of Snapchat and you will click here. Then in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your